I've been reading a lot of books this year and noticed the theme of tragedy and triumph. One of the books that stood out was I Funny. School apps. It's about this boy named Jamie Grimm. Sarcasm. I'm just kidding. He has a disability and can't use his legs. Jamie was in a car crash. His parents and little sister died. Tragedy. He overcame his disability not only because he lived and is in a wheelchair. It's because his doctor inspired him and said laughter is the best medicine. And it was. He kept feeling better after reading lots of joke books because, hey, funny and amusing. He went to live with his aunt, uncle, and his cousin, Stevie Cosgrove, the bully. And everybody treated him like a crippled kid. Stevie pushes Jamie around, knocks him out of his wheelchair, and calls him a crip. Most people would hate being bullied, but Jamie thinks it's great. He feels more like it makes him more normal than crippled. At school, he tells lots of jokes to his friends. Gilda Gold, Gaynor, Pierce, and Cool Girl. He cracks them up all the time. After school, he goes to Uncle Frankie's diner. Jamie works the cash register from his wheelchair and cracks jokes to the customers. And one tells him, "You funny, Jamie." And Jamie thought, yeah, hey, I'm funny. I funny. That's how they got the name, I guess. When a kids' comedy competition came to his town, he decided to enter. He got stage fright, but finally cracked jokes about life in a wheelchair, staring at people's bums in the elevators, and being bullied by his cousin, Stevie. And guess what? He won. He went to the Big Apple competition, state competition, national competition, and what do you know? He won them all. So, the moral or saying of the story would be, don't judge a book by its cover.